In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Webflow app seamlessly, guiding you through the essential steps of the process. If you're ready to dive into the world of design customization and enhance your Webflow experience, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your workspace settings. Once you're there, look for the Apps and Integrations tab. This will be your go-to section for anything app-related within Webflow, and it's where we'll begin our app creation journey. Click on this tab and it should open up a new page dedicated to managing your apps and integrations. Next, you're going to click on the Create an App button. This is a crucial step as it sets the foundation for everything else we'll be doing. Once you've clicked this, you'll be prompted to provide some basic information for your new app. This includes a name that's both descriptive and memorable, a concise but detailed description that clearly states what your app does, and finally, an icon that visually represents your app. Taking some time to choose a strong icon and write a clear description is recommended as it helps in identifying and conveying the purpose of your app effectively. The next part of this process is especially important, enabling the Designer Extensions APIs. This is where you allow your app to fully interact with Webflow's powerful design tools. Make sure to enable these APIs during the setup process. It's essential if you want your app to integrate successfully and offer the most comprehensive suite of design tools at your disposal. Now, if you're creating a data app, there might be a couple more things you'll need to look out for. You may have to provide a redirect URI and specify scopes, though it's worth noting these elements are less critical if you're solely focusing on designer-only extensions. The redirect URI is basically the URL where users will be sent after they authorize your app, and scopes are permissions that determine what your app is allowed to access and do within Webflow. Once you've provided all necessary details and ensured that the appropriate APIs are enabled, proceed by clicking on Create App. This final step confirms and saves all the information you've entered, officially making your Webflow app a reality. Congratulations on taking these steps towards creating your very own Webflow app. With this app, you can now customize and enrich your Webflow workspace, tailoring it to meet your unique design needs. As always, take a moment to explore the new features and possibilities that your app unlocks. Empowered with this knowledge, you're all set to enhance your workflow and perhaps even inspire new design innovations. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and clear.